Check this out. I am in a loaner truck because my truck is in the shop getting the air conditioner fixed on it, okay? So I'm in this day cab, okay? 2001 Mac, okay? Check it out. This is what it looks like on the inside. Look at that little bitty old truck, okay? Quick rundown. All right? That's that, okay? Got to make it fast because got to get back to work. This is the way it looks on the inside. Okay? Yeah. No doubt. Little bitty old thing. No bunk. It's a, what? 8-speed. Yeah. But this is the way this is the way a 2001 looks. And it runs really, really great. I was really shocked. And it's got like 100,000 miles plus on it, and that's really good for a 2001. Starkey really takes care of their equipment here, you know. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Okay, gotta get back to work. See ya.